Working with tables.
Hi Rahul, I need to insert some data in a tabular form in my project, but I do not know how to do it.
Hey, Priya, I will tell you in detail how to insert a table in MS Word. In this module, you will learn about creating a table, entering data, inserting columns or rows in a table, and deleting rows and columns. MS Word gives you a feature of presenting your information in a tabular form. A table consists of rows and columns. It gives a neat look to your data. Data can be entered inside the cells in the form of text or graphics. A table is an organized way to save data. Creating a table. A table is an organized arrangement of text in rows and columns. The point where a row and a column meet is called a cell. The simplest way to create a table is to click on the Table button in the Tables group on the Insert tab. Entering data. When you insert a table, place the insertion point in a cell to enter the data. You can move to the next adjoining cell either by pressing the Tab key from the keyboard or by pressing the right arrow key. You can move to the previous cell by pressing either the Shift plus Tab key or by pressing left arrow key. You can press up and down arrow key to move one cell up and one cell down from the current cell. If you are on the last row and on the last cell of the table and you need to insert one more row, simply press Tab. You will notice that the new row getting inserted itself. Inserting rows or columns in a table. If you have created a table, you might need to insert rows or columns in between. MS Word provides you the feature to add rows and columns above and below the selected row and to the right or left of any existing column respectively. To add a new column, select the column by clicking on the top border adjacent to which you want to insert a new column. Click on the Layout tab in the Table Tools tab. Click either on the Insert Left or Insert Right button in the Rows and Columns group. An empty column will get inserted as per the chosen option. To add a new row, select the row, click on the Layout tab in the Table Tools tab. Click either on the Insert Above or Insert Below button in the Rows and Columns group. An empty row will get inserted as per the chosen option. Deleting rows and columns. Select the column or row. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Select the Delete Rows or Delete Columns option in the drop-down menu or right-click on the selected row or column you want to delete. Select Delete Rows or Delete Columns option from the shortcut menu.
Thank you Rahul, that was helpful.